In this exciting video, we reveal 5 natural supplements that have been scientifically proven to aid muscle growth. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for a healthier, stronger you. Before we get started, I must inform you that I am not a medical professional. The information shared in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before making changes to your diet, exercise routine, or lifestyle. Now, let's get started. First on our list is creatine monohydrate. This supplement is one of the most researched and proven to enhance muscle mass and strength. Creatine works by increasing the amount of energy available for muscle contractions, allowing you to train harder and longer. Studies have shown that it can improve muscle mass and exercise performance significantly. It's safe, affordable, and easy to incorporate into your routine. Researchers recommend that you consume 3 to 5 grams of creatine before and after training with plenty of water. To further increase muscle stores, they recommend that you take the supplement with a shake containing at least 50 grams of carbs and 30 to 50 grams of protein. Next up is Beta-Alanine, a naturally occurring amino acid that helps reduce muscle fatigue. It does this by increasing the levels of carnosine in your muscles, which acts as a buffer to delay the onset of lactic acid buildup. This means you can push through those extra reps and sets without feeling that burning sensation too soon. Research suggests that beta-alanine supplementation can lead to improved muscle endurance and strength gains, making it an excellent addition to your supplement stack. Most research supports 3 to 6 grams per day for muscle growth and endurance, split into smaller doses. Studies have also shown that it needs to be taken consistently for several weeks for the best results. Branched-chain amino acids are essential amino acids that play a crucial role in muscle protein synthesis. The 3 branched-chain amino acids, leucine, isoleucine, and valine, help stimulate muscle growth, reduce muscle soreness, and prevent muscle breakdown during intense workouts. Branched-chain amino acids can be taken before, during, or after your workout to fuel your muscles and aid in quicker recovery. They're especially beneficial if you're training in a fasted state or following a low-calorie diet. Research studies have shown that the best results can be achieved by taking 5 to 10 grams on an empty stomach in the morning, plus 1 dose before and 1 after workouts. Omega-3 fatty acids, commonly found in fish oil, are not just good for your heart. They're also fantastic for muscle building. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation in the muscles, which can enhance recovery and reduce soreness after workouts. Omega-3s also improve the function of muscle cells and can increase muscle protein synthesis. Adding a high-quality fish oil supplement to your diet can support your muscle-building efforts and overall health. Research studies indicate that the best results can be achieved by taking 2 to 6 grams of fish oil per day in 2 divided doses with food. Last but certainly not least, we have whey protein. It's a staple in the bodybuilding community for a reason. Whey protein is rich in essential amino acids, particularly leucine, which is key for muscle protein synthesis. It's easily absorbed by the body, making it an ideal post-workout supplement to kickstart muscle recovery and growth. Drinking a whey protein shake after your workout ensures your muscles get the nutrients they need to repair and grow stronger. Experts recommend taking 30 to 50 grams of whey protein once or twice daily, especially post-workout with at least 60 to 100 grams of simple carbs. There you have it, guys, 5 natural supplements that actually help build muscle. Incorporating these into your fitness regimen can make a significant difference in your muscle building journey. But remember, supplements are just that, supplementary. They work best when combined with a solid diet and consistent training routine. Now we want to hear from you. What natural supplements have you found useful for building muscle? Drop your recommendations in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Make sure to turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos. Together, let's keep pushing towards becoming the best versions of ourselves. Until next time, stay strong and stay healthy.